In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set price alerts on Skyscanner, step by step. If you want to keep an eye on flight prices without checking them manually every day, Skyscanner's price alert feature is a simple and useful tool. It lets you track a specific route and travel date so you can be notified when the price changes. Let's walk through the process from the beginning. First, go to the Skyscanner website. Once the page loads, click on the flights section. This makes sure you're searching for airfare rather than hotels or car rentals. From there, select your flight type. Skyscanner usually gives you options like one-way, return, or multi-city. For this example, choose return. That's the best option if you're planning a round trip and want to monitor both outbound and inbound pricing together. Next, add your departure location. Type in the city or airport you'll be flying from, and then enter your destination in the next field. Be as specific as needed so your alert matches the trip you actually want to take. After that, add your departure date. Then add your return date as well. These dates are important because price alerts are tied to the exact search details you enter. If your dates are flexible, you may want to repeat the process later for other date combinations, but for now, just continue with the trip you want to track. Now select how many travelers will be included in the search. This matters because pricing can change depending on the number of passengers, so it's a good idea to enter the correct traveler count before moving on. Once everything looks right, click Search. Skyscanner will take you to the flight results page where it shows available options and current fares for your selected route. When you're inside the flight price results, look over to the left-hand side of the page. This area typically contains filters and additional tools related to your search. One of those tools is the option to get price alerts. Click on Get Price Alerts. As soon as you do that, Skyscanner will create the alert for the route and dates you searched. At that point, your price alert has been created and you'll be able to track changes for that flight search more easily. That's all it takes. By setting a price alert, you can stay updated on fare changes without having to run the same search over and over again. It's a quick way to plan smarter and potentially book when prices are more favorable. Thanks for watching.